Hello, students. This is Teacher May. How are you today? I am fine. Thank you. Very good. And today is Wednesday. Again, today is Wednesday. What is the day today? It's Wednesday. Very good. Are you ready for our new lessons? Yes, we are. And welcome to Sansuk Online class. Today we have a challenge. What is this challenge? This is the tongue twister challenge. Okay, do you have a tongue? May I see your tongue? Show me your tongue. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good, students. We're going to have a challenge, the tongue twister challenge, to practice our tongue to pronounce and speak fluently. We have 5 vowels. These are vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. These vowels help us to produce a sound. Again, to produce a sound. Example, A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. Can you try? Very good. Again, let us practice together. A, E, I, O, U. One more. A, E, I, O, U. Good job. So this is our tongue twister challenge. Let us read slowly, okay? What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. One more. What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. Can we try to read a little bit faster? What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. Okay, let's try a little bit faster. What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. Can we try faster? What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. One more. What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. Can you try it? Faster. Very good. So did you enjoy? Okay, let's try again together. Faster. What noise annoys an oyster most? A noisy noise annoys an oyster most. Perfect. Clap your hands. Okay, let's go to our lessons. Vocabularies. Pythons. This is a snake. Pythons. Soil. Soil. Kite. Kite. Ball. Ball. Okay, read. Very good. Good job. Now, let us learn the OI sound and OY sound. Oi, uy, uy, uy. Example of OI sound. Oil, coin, coil, soil. The OY sound. Royal, boys, toys. Again, OI sound. Oil, coin, coil, soil. OY sound. Royal, boys, toys. This one, what is it? The OI sound. Again, OI sound. Oil, oil. Soil, soil. Soil, oil, coins. Coins, soil, oil. And coil. Point, point. O-I sound, oil. O-I sound, coil. O-I sound, point. O-I sound, coins. O-I sound, soil. Oil, coil, coins, soil. Next, let's go to OY sound. OY sound. Toys, toys. Boys, these are boys and these are toys. And oyster, oyster. Royal, royal. OY sound. OY sound, toys, toys. OY sound, oyster, oyster. And boys, boys. OY sound, royal, royal. OY sound. So let's go to OY and OI activity. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. First one is toys. What is this? OY or OI sound? It is OY sound. Toys. Next, coil. Coil. OY or OI sound? OI sound. Next, oyster. Oyster. OY or OI sound? It is OY sound. Next, coins. OI sound. This one, oil. Oil. OI or OI or OY sound? OI sound. Next, soil. Soil. OY or OI sound? OI sound. Last one, royal. Royal. OY or OI sound? OY sound. Royal. Again, let us read. Toy, coil, oyster, coins, oil, soil, royal. Very good. Now, open your activity book. Open your activity book on page 17, unit 14. Again, open your activity book on page 17. Let us answer unit 14. Look at these pictures. We're going to write check if the answer is correct and X if wrong. Okay, example, the OI sound or OY sound. Letter A, toys. Toys. It's OY sound. So we write check. How about the kite? Kite. OY or OI sound? Wrong. Kite is, it's not an OI and OY sounds. How about boy? Boy. Check. Very good. How about girl? Girl. Number 2. Girl. Wrong. How about python? Python. Wrong. Very good. Next, point. 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 Yes, it's check. Third, boy. Boy. Check. Very good, students. Next, hair. Hey, curl. Curl. Curly hair. Curl. Curl. It's X. Okay, curl. Curl. Ball. ball. It's X. Good job, students. Okay, let us read together. Open your books on page Unit 16. Unit 16. Royal Python's coil into balls on the soil. Again, Royal Python's coil into balls on the soil. Let us read faster. Royal Python's coil into balls on the soil. Royal Python's coil into balls on the soil. Can you read it faster? Good job. Okay, so this is your homework. Practice and record your works and send your clip under comment section. So this is your assignment or homework. Roy is a coy boy. The noise will spoil the boy's joy. Troy will join the boys. Avoid the poisons in the oil. Roy points to his toys. Don't spoil the boy's joy, Troy. So this is your homework, a tongue twister homework. You're going to practice this and record, then send your clip under the comment section. Again, Roy is a coy boy. The noise will spoil the boy's joy. Troy will join the boys. Avoid the poison in the oil. Roy points to his toys. Don't spoil the boy's joy, Troy. Okay? If you have any question, just message Teacher May. Goodbye, students, and thank you. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.